Borrowing arrows with thatched boats. The Arrow Saga begins. Haha, let's start this epic story with our clueless buddy, Bao Bao. Remember that one time? Yeah, that one year. Wait, turns out there was nothing to remember. Snowflakes were falling that year, though. Plum blossoms were in full bloom, classic poetic vibes. We even got some fancy calligraphy in the mix. Sushi's masterpiece, you know. A heart as calm as burnt wood. A body that's basically adrift, no anchor inside. When asked about his achievements in life, he casually dropped Guangzhou, Huazhou, Danzhou like a flex. And just like that, our buddy Bao Bao stumbled into the scene. Naturally, he decided to be helpful. Why, you ask? Ha ha ha, good question. Exhausted and totally out of energy, Bao Bao decided to recharge by chilling in a pond. Whoops, a false alarm spooked our not-so-bright hero. That's when he cooked up a terrible idea: hide by the shore and ambush someone. Mission: questionable genius.